There's an old myth that risk and reward are proportional. We live in a capitalist society. If you don't understand capital, you're in trouble because you're taking a risk when you invest it. The way to mitigate risk is to know how to attach value to an asset. Because if you pay too much and you borrow too much, there's nothing anyone can do for you. The answer? Investing 101 and Investing 202. Two Trek-approved investing courses that will explain how to determine the value of real property before you buy and how to maximize returns while minimizing risk. After you take these two classes, your risk will go down and your reward will go up because you will have the financial education you need to deploy capital prudently. My name is Lynn Morgan. I'm an author, investor, developer, and co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. I'll be your instructor for these two live Zoom classes. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.